Hey, in this video, I'm going to be talking about why you should not focus on making money. Hi peeps, my name is Victor Benitia here and welcome to another video about how to make money online. And in this video, I want to talk about the biggest mistake people make when they want to make money online. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they want to make money online is that they focus on money. Money becomes their only driving force. Now, this is a very big mistake because when you're focusing on money, that's all your mind is on. Like, I want to make the money. You're not focused on learning the skills that you need to make it. Now, if you want to succeed online, then your focus should be on educating yourself. How do you learn more? How do you understand more? Now, most people are used to selling their products and services the traditional way, the offline way, through brick and mortar stores. You see, the online world is a totally different ballgame. It's different from what a lot of people are used to. Now, if you want to succeed online, you have to educate yourself if you want to make money. And if you want to do this successfully, you have to educate yourself. This means reading books, watching videos, and taking courses from experts in your niche, following people who are already doing what you want to do and learning from them. When you're trying to get something done, it's easy to focus on making money. Now, this can be a good thing sometimes, but if this is your only focus, if this is the only thing driving you, then you will not succeed in making money. Instead, focus your mind. Think about, as opposed to the money, think about what you can do and how you can do something different. Think about the benefits it will bring to the lives of those you serve. Now, don't get me wrong, making money is a great thing. You want to quickly focus your mind on making money as quickly as possible. But if you focus only on making money, then it can get easy. It's very easy for you to get caught up in the idea of getting rich quick. I believe in getting rich fast, not getting rich quick. And if you get into this getting rich quick mindset, you think you can make money without actually putting in any effort. And you'll be spending your time on things that don't matter as opposed to spending your time on things that can actually impact your life and transform your life and hopefully help you make the money you want. So instead of focusing on money, focusing on providing value to others, whether it's through your blog or social media channels or whatever online platform you use. You see, if you focus on providing value to others, then they will be more willing to pay whatever it is that pay you for whatever it is that you're offering. This is because they know that the content or product that you have or that you've created will help them in some way or the other. Okay? You see, the more value you provide, the more money you will make. If you want to get paid for your content, then focus on providing value first. Let that be the first thing. Focus on writing great blog posts and sharing them across your social media channels. Focus on creating great content. Focus on adding value. Then once you've built a following of people who like your content, who like your product or services, it is easier for you to then actually increase your sales or improve the sales that you currently have. It'll be easy to, maybe if you're writing blog posts, for example, to recommend products that will help your audience solve their problems. And you can earn good commissions from recommending people to buy into products or services that will be of use to them. So if you're doing that, that means you're adding value. You see, if you provide value to others through, say, for example, you're running a blog or you have social media channels, then people will naturally want to support you because you're providing value to them. And people will see that you are worth investing in, and this will lead to more traffic and more sales to your blog, to your social media channels, to your YouTube channel. One crucial tool that you want to have in your toolbox if you want to succeed online is building an email list. You see, email marketing, it will help you build your relationship with your customers. It's not just that, but it gives you a proven way to nurture leads and eventually convert them into long-lasting customers. That's where customer loyalty comes in. No matter what type of business you operate, an email list is the most important element of a successful marketing strategy. With that one list, with your email list, you can share your story, you can promote your business, and you can showcase your products or other people's products, all while turning subscribers into paying customers. You see, once you have a following, it'll be easier to monetize this following by offering products or services that people want to buy from you. If you provide value to others through your blog or your social media channels, then people will naturally want to support you. Value is the key word here. That's the purpose of this video. Understand that value is the key word. If you want to make money from your YouTube channel, for example, if you have a YouTube channel or your videos on TikTok or whatever, then focus on providing value first. Then monetize this following by offering products or services that people will want to buy from you because they trust you. Focus on quality over quantity. Focus on creating quality content, quality products and services, and your audience and customers will keep buying from you, will keep supporting you and your business. I hope this has been of value to you. And if you want to learn more about how to sell other people's products, how to start an online business, and how to make huge commissions, click the link in the description and you will get more information that hopefully will help you start making money online quickly and take you to the next level of your financial success. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.